Okay, if you recall in our previous example, we had no exception handling, and when we run it, we would get this message. And I want to draw your attention to the java.lang arithmetic exception. Okay, we are done with this. So no error handling here whatsoever. So in the next version of the code, you notice we introduced the try catch. We've used the try catch previously to try something, and if something goes wrong, we catch the error, mostly for parsing text into an integer. What we do here is the same code as before. I'm going to turn on line numbers here real quick. Okay, and at line 17 we divide by 0, which we know is not something we should be doing. But if you notice, we are now capturing the arithmetic exception. And I'm just going to run this again, and you'll see it is the same exception right here. So now we're saying if you divide by 0 and we catch that error message, this is the object type, we instantiate it as E, we put up to the screen a message we want, then we can put out from the E object, which is an instance of the arithmetic exception, we can get the toString, and I have some comments over here to the right, and it will give you the exception name and the message. This will just give you the message, and this is very powerful. It will tell you what line number was in error. So let's compile this, which we've done, and let's run it. And you can see it is a little better handled. It may look the same because we have a black screen here, but let's go over it. This message right here corresponds to this. The system.out println E2 string prints out the object, the error object or exception, and we get the message, which is here. And then this piece of code right here gives us just the message, and the stack trace tells us the exception, the message, and actually at line 17 where we're having the problem.